Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings. Let me just go back to the main page, there we go. And in the settings page, you want to scroll down to storage. And right here where it says this device, you can tap down on this and it will show you additional options, which for me it shows Android, but just know that in your case it might show you some other name. It might not be Android, it might be something like, for instance, sometimes even on this it would show something like Samsung SD card. So it's Samsung SD card just because the card that I have is from Samsung. So it just depends where it's been formatted and in what way. It might show you different names, but the general thing is whatever it says other than this device will be your SD card. So in this case it's Android. Now when you select it, it will show you the space used on it and the total space available. And if you have anything stored on that card that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. And I don't have anything here, clearly. So I'm not going to be backing up anything, but just make sure you backed up whatever you want to maintain. From there, once it's backed up, you can then go in here into the three dots menu and then select Format. And I'm going to select Format at the bottom. This gives us a quick pop-up right here. Format this SD card. Now it tells us that it needs to be formatted. No, it doesn't. But the second part is important, which is just repeating what I said. Formatting will Let me try that again. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card to avoid losing content. Back it up to another SD card or device. So there we go. Anyway, we're going to click on Format. And this goes through a fully automatic process and it only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. So click on the Done button. It will go back here. It says right now 00, but if we switch it back and forth, you can see it's ready to go. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.